how you remove the rear spring on the Can-Am 175cc. First, you need to get crescent wrench. Those are pretty much the only tools you need. You have to tighten it down to the size of the bolt and you start unscrewing it. Work all the way. Pull it out. Bolt with it. Now the bottom one. Now we're taking off the rear bolt on this spring. You'll probably need 2 sets of tools that are the same size to take off there's 2 nut on the back of this one. Once you get that loosened right off, take the back nut off. Washer, don't want to leave it loose. Now, to get this thing out, I might need a few tools to kind of get it out. There you go. There's your rear spring off of the Can-Am 175.
So, this is how you take the spark plug out of a Can-Am. You might need a crescent, you might need one of these wrenches, or you can use a freaking spark plug wrench, but you should be able to get it out. You just clamp on there tight enough. Now when you get it going, use your fingers. And it will just come out. And this one, seems to me this thing is running a lot richer than it should have been. Okay, so now once you get your new spark plug, well, it's the same way you took it out. It just goes back in there. While you take your spark plug out, you can check your compression too, which is always a good idea. And screw it back in there. It's a new one. Until it seats when you can't twist it on there anymore. You just screw it in there till it's nice and tight. And you take your spark plug cover. It's good.